How's it everyone, Grant here, welcome back to the channel. And today I've got a tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So this is a generic screen protector that I picked up from Amazon for $3. So let's go ahead and see what you get and how this is going to actually work with the 11 Pro Max. So I picked this one up because it was $3, but also because it has an installation tray. So that should make installing it a little bit easier. Now, installation of tempered glasses on the 11 Pro Max should be pretty easy. As you can see here, it comes with 3 screen protectors. So 3 screen protectors for $3, that's a pretty good deal. And like I was saying, it has a flat display, so it's generally pretty easy to install, but the installation tray makes it that much easier usually. And so let's go ahead and put this on 11 Pro Max and see how this tempered glass screen protector works. So there you go, there is the tempered glass screen protector installed on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So pretty quick and simple with that installation tray. I just had to push out the last few bubbles on it, but there you can see it. And there is a little bit of room from the edges, so this will be case friendly. You can see it installed there, and let's go ahead and get into the phone. You can see the touch sensitivity is just fine. There doesn't seem to be any issues with touch sensitivity. And as you can see, face unlock works because it's not obstructing the cameras up there at all. So pretty good. Not too much fingerprints either. The oleophobic coating on this glass seems to be pretty good. It's not picking up too many unnecessary fingerprints, not more than the normal display would. So I would say for $3, this seems like a win. And 3 screen protectors, $1 each. Can't really go too wrong with that, but I'll bring in a case here. It's a fairly thin case, but most cases I'm sure it's going to work with this because there is that extra room between the glass and the edge of the phone. And as you can see, there are lots of room between the edge of the glass and the case, so definitely case friendly and protects the full display there. So not much to complain about for $3 with this particular tempered glass. I'll leave the link in the description should you choose to pick this up for yourself. Any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.